Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Maguire and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I have, oh my god, I'm so excited. It's such a fun video. I'm unboxing my first luxury designer bag. I'm so excited. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out as a small creator. Go ahead and subscribe and click that bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video, which right now is Monday and Thursday. So I cannot wait any longer. Let's get into the video. I am so excited. I was waiting in my office. I saw the UPS truck come up. I ran downstairs and was literally outside by the time he got up to hand me the package because there was a signature required. So needless to say, I'm very excited. Watch this not be the bag. It'd be so funny. And it is. Okay, so this is the first look inside the box. So I got the Louis Vuitton Neverfull size MM. My sister and I decided to get these very much on a whim. I had ordered the Dolce & Gabbana Sicily bag as like my first designer bag, but it was just really slow to get here. So for some reason it hasn't come yet. And this is unexpectedly my first designer bag, what I thought would be my second like luxury designer bag. So, okay, so pulling this back, there is a, and please pardon my French, I might be saying this wrong, but a Louis Vuitton, I believe this is probably just like my receipts. Thank you for shopping with us, sanitary guidelines, receipt. Here's for the views. Here's for the views. Here's for the views. That is, do they know I'm a YouTuber? Okay, so they have like a return label. So this is everything I would need to return the bag. And then this, oh my goodness, it's the bag box. I don't even want to open it. I just want to be in this moment for like ever. Oh my gosh, okay. Nice magnetic flip. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this box to store the bag in as long as it doesn't misshape it. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, okay. So now we've opened the box to reveal the dust bag. I can feel the bag inside and it feels so nice. So let's open the dust bag. I am so, oh. This is the nicest quality bag I've ever felt. Like the leather is sturdy, but like butter. I expected it to be more like textured. This is so nice. I got this in the lightest color with the ballerina pink inside because you know me, I love pink. This is so beautiful. There's straps out here, so I think you can clip. I feel like I need to know more about this bag. You can cinch these in, I believe. So it can go like that and be more of a smaller tote, so you can like cinch these in, but I love the shape of it just out. Oh my gosh, and it comes with a pouch that's very sturdy. Little Louis Vuitton logo on the outside and you open it up. Ooh, there's like 2 compartments in here. It's also in the ballerina pink. And then inside is one open compartment and then another little side zipper on the back. So this is stunning. I am in awe. I am so happy right now. This is beautiful and I feel like it is branded. I'm not a huge logo person, so I didn't want to get the logo bag, but this is just like so pretty. I feel like these checks are like tan and navy almost, but it kind of looks tan and gray or like whitish, and I just think it is, oh my god, so stunning. I am so happy right now. So if you guys want me to do a review of this purse in a couple weeks, let me know. I will be so happy to talk about it and get so much use out of it. If you guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It would really help me out as a small creator. Go ahead and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I am so excited for this bag. I'm just, the dopamine serotonin boost right now, peak. Bye.